To get the most out of ChatGPT and make it work smoothly with your task, let's down some important things you should know. Managing conversations. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the conversations. To keep things organized, you can give them names. For example, if one is about Newton and the other is about a Newton article, you can name them accordingly. This helps you keep track of what you are working on. Staying on topic. It's a promising idea to stick to one topic within a conversation. So, if you are talking about Newton, keep everything about Newton in that chat. This way, ChatGPT can understand and follow the conversation better. Each chat should be about one specific thing to avoid confusion. More options. If you click on your account name, you'll find some extra options. After clicking that, you can see here some options are open for you. My plan, custom instructions, setting and beta. And if you want to log out, so in the last there is an option to log out. So first of all, we click on my plan. So here you can see ChatGPT 3.5 is free for everyone, and ChatGPT 4 or plus version you can pay $20 per month for it. Then after my plan, you can click on custom instruction. Here you can give some instructions to ChatGPT. ChatGPT write here that what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses. So if you want to describe yourself and some details about you, so ChatGPT can give you responses accordingly. After that, here you can see in setting and beta, here you can see general. In general, you can see here theme and clear all chats. In theme, you have light, system, dark, light. So you can change your theme color accordingly. And if you want to clear your all chats, you can clear from here. After that, under the general tab, you can see here the beta features. In beta features, there are two options we have: plugin and advanced data analysis. So if you want to use plugins in your ChatGPT, you should activate this option. And if you want to do advanced data analysis, so you should activate this button also. After that, we click on data controls. So in data controls, what we have here, this option should always be open and activate. And don't try to put it off. In export data, you can export your data, and if you want to delete your account, so you can do it from here. Now I told you how to access plugins. When you click here, so you can see there are different options you can use from here, and we can see plugins here. So you click on plugin and click here. There are some plugins are listed here: Smart Slides, AI, PDF, some other. And if you want to install from here, downside you can see plugin store. So here you can see that there are many options, there are many apps available, many plugins available you can install from here. You can see, you can check in different pages. We have many plugins here you can install.